Hello guys, thanks for watching my channel. My name is Jahid Hassan. I'll be here sharing my data science and analytical journey for 100 days. So today I'll start with some basics about Python. So to begin with, today I'll look into variable, data type, and string. So which is quite simple. For variable, per se, you can use anything for say num1 variable. So you have a number value 50 for this num1, num2 for say you have 100. So these are the some value for on this variable. So mm, here, if we want to see what data type they are, so we can just simply do print operation just to look good, or we can even do just type num1 for integer. If we see for num2, do the same. So these are the integers. So how about if we just print it, so you can see this variable uh, num1 uh, are the integers. How about if we play with some string, right? So first we have some text, and always string are inside this quotation. So we can write anything. Python basics tutorial. So these are the strings. So how can we know these are the strings? So we can just simply use this type methods, right, in Python. So text1, so this is string. So we can eventually do the same print operation, and it will show this variable uh, contains string. Um, sorry, print, my mistake. These are string. So sometimes we have this integer value, we use it as a string. So for say uh, 3, we have 50. So this is a string because whatever inside this quotation, double quote quotation, is always considered as a string. So if we don't build it, then we can just simply check what data type it is. So you can see string, right? So you can even convert this string to integer. How are we going to do it? So if you want to do that, then you just simply uh, first let's print it. So type, then you just use this integer method that uh, you have in Python inbuilt. So this is simply this variable that we have num3, which contains integer now. So that's how you can see, even you can look the length of it. So it should be 2 if you just use this len function to see. So these are something like way to check what kind of data types you are using, either integer or string or float. So even if you have float for say this one num4, you have something like that for say 45.56, some random value. So you can just simply type and what else, num4, so you can see it's a float. So just some basics how to check what kind of data type that your variable have, and also the strings, also the way to convert those string to integers, so which we have already seen in this cell. So then after that, we can see some slicing. For say you have some text, for say just use this one. So you can do some slicing, some basic size slicing. So we have this one. So if you want to print this text, so if you want to print all of it, all of this string, so it just use this third bracket and just use the semicolon. If you print it, it prints everything, right? If you want to print for say one, just accept this one and rest of it, so I just use one. Or if you don't want to use this 2 3 4 5, so you just use this 5. Then that's how you're gonna do slicing as much as you need, like whatever you need. Or even if you want to do like 85, it will just 1 2 3 4 5, so it just go reverse way, so it will just print this reverse last 5 word. Or if you want to just say 5 to 15, I hope we have that number, so we just go that way. So it just don't have anything, so see it's just straight from the beginning. So it's just simple slicing. You just play around whatever you want to just print from that. So this is all about slicing. We also have something called strip method in Python. For example, we have this text, right? So it's called so we are now looking at strip method. Oh, sorry. So strip method is something like you might sometimes have white spaces, right, like this. So if you just want to print this, right, so you see it looks like this. So before you print it, right, so we can simply use this strip method in Python that we have built. So first we have a variable x to store it. So we have this text, so we'll just use one. So I guess it's tab. Oh, yeah, see, so if you press tab after .s, so you have a lot of uh, methods that you can see Python. So we'll just use the split one, sorry, strip one, yes. So if we use this one strip method, and if you would like to just print it, you will see now, you see we don't have this white space anymore. So this is the beauty of strip method using Python. Yeah, and another one is just saw split, which is also an interesting one. For sometimes we so we work with dates, right? We have so dates on like string. So today is January 13, sorry, 2024. So we have this date, and if we just print it, we just print the date, right? So if we use this split method, right, split method, and so we have to split it. We just separated our month, date and years using the split method in Python. So this is how you have to separate anything if you would like to. So split just doing the separation thing for you. Now another function use mostly concatenation where you have like multiple uh, you know strings or values that you would like to concat. So very easier way you can do for say first name Alex, last name is Alex Hells. Is it just name? Also, I think is an English cricketer. So if you have this, you can simply concatenate. How you gonna do it? So I'll show you like two ways to do that. So first, say we have a full name, right? You wanna print it as a full name, right? So you can say f name plus separate then name. So if you just now print this, you will see Alex Hills, the full name. So this is one way to do it. We can do another way using a format uh, f format string in Python. So we will just do what? We will just call f name space l name and double quote. Okay, sorry, extra here. So you'll see we'll just use this formatting in Python. So if we do that, we're still getting Alex else. So so yeah. So yep. So you can see this is how we can do the concatenation. Or even if you want to do formatting, that also works. So if you want to do formatting, so you can simply use format function. So okay, we'll do it in a separate way. For say Alex, his age is 28. Okay, and we want to write some random text for this. For say Alex health is, we need a curly bracket, so Alex Hell is 28 years old, right? So if we want to print this, so we'll just txt, we will use format. So you see we have format method, so we'll use this format method and we'll call we'll just pause the variable age here, so it will call this, and you'll just see this format string helps you to call this variable whatever it has 28, so it just print it for you 28 years old. So this is all about format string, so which is quite simple way to format. So most of the time if you use format, so you can do that. Another last thing I would like to share is a simple function we'll use, global variable. So in global variable, there's uh, many things you can do with global variable. So we'll just see how we use global variable in this tutorial. First, we have a variable, sorry, Alex. So this variable is outside of a function, so we'll just define a function. We'll define a function for this to call. So we have function this, and we can just do a print operation here. My name is Alex helps. So name, and we can call this function below, right? So my name, and that's how we call this function. So this is how we call function. Here we have this simple function, right? So we create a variable. So what we did here, we create a variable outside of this. We created this variable outside of this function, and and uh, and we use this variable outside of the function inside of this function, right? So that's the beauty of global variable. You can call it, right? What if you have a variable inside now? Okay, let's just copy last name. First, you have a uh, variable inside of this function. What are you gonna do? So you already print my name is something, right? So if you print it, it's just printing Alex, all right? So you can do okay, sorry, it should be f name. So if we do, it should print health. So it's calling this function that is inside of this function. It's not taking the outside one, right? So what we're gonna do, do same print operation similar to that outside of this function. Now if you print it, now you're getting Alex. So that's something. So if we have like same global variable, right? F name, one is outside, one is inside. So, but you have different names. So you might have different, you know, string or different value for a common variable, global variable. So this is how you're gonna call them. So this literally doing nothing. And if you so it's printing this one first, health, and my name is Alex. So if in the interview someone asks uh, what gonna what is the output of this global variable simple one? So it's simply like else then Alex. It's not like Alex else. So this is something to keep in mind. So yeah, that's all for today. That's all I want to cover. Just some basics Python. So I hope you like it. We'll see you next time. I'll record more videos and try to post it on my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.